안녕하세요, Teacher Fem.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos for you and also 1,000 pesos for the exist internet installation fee and transportation fee. Okay. And that is from Wiparamnim.
위파랑님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye. 안녕하세요, Charmy and Venice.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Yung sa mo ron? Wala. Bantay ra bata. Okay. So I'm here to deliver the choco pie. One box each for you and also for Venice. And you also have 500 pesos pocket money. Okay. Okay ra. And that is from Bawal Utang Nim.
bawal otanim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Ral. So, Uncle Kim Yong-sunim gives you 2 boxes of choco pie.
Uncle Kim Yong-sunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And also, Uncle Kim Yong-chul-nim gives you 200 pesos.
Kim Yong-sunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
So, what will you do for your money?
Piggy bank.
Piggy bank. Very good.
감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
So, ngano gay nakadiri ate? Zaman. Gutom ka? Parang sa maninin mo? Palit og snacks. Okay, so pilagay mo pa ngayon? Oh. So, Ate Jocelyn is asking for buying her snacks. So, she's asking for 100 pesos from her personal funds. So, wala kay kaon lang ka? Wala may kaon sa inyo, ha? Yung mama, wala gyapon work? Wala di siya nibalik sa kuan. Ayang amo sa Sunbury. Inigagma pa sa Bado. But, the rest of the days, Monday to Friday, wala dyan may kuan. Inyong kaon? Wala sad. Asa raman mo pamahaw? Ngayon si Lola. Ni Ana, grandmother no? Then, kung wala na po dila Ana, wala dyan kay kaon. Imong breakfast, mga mo ila Ana. Nga, ang imong lunch, wala sad. Mga iyo kasi may lana. Na imong dinner, musaw ka sa ilana. Imong mama tupod ka ni lana. Or ikaw ba? Ikaw ba? So wala siya kaon. Imong manghot? Kaya mo ba? Ito kay lana. Imong kuya, wala na din ha. Teka ka? So, if gusto mong gali ka, ngayon lang ka ni teacher, ha? And ako lang po din si sir about money, okay? So, I'll be giving you your 100 pesos. So, ikaw na nagdagan na. Ipalit yun na ni mong foods, okay? Okay, that is from Changgani.
장군님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, so, ina si teacher if wala na kayo makaon, ha? Chat lang ni teacher. And then, kung gusto mong palito na ng money, you take a video para makabalong ni kung mo ba yung ipalit og foods para ninyo. Ha? Bye-bye. Fighting?
감사합니다. 파이팅.
Ayaw padala sa problema. Okay?
Andrea! Ah, cute ni Andrea. Ay. Asa mo ste?
Ano may bigas?
Ano
Bayan
ba?
yan.
Ano? Nag-breakfast na ka pa? Ano? Ligo nag-pool dito. Ligo na swimming pool. Na sila LL, Chelsea, Ate Wanda na dito. Nasa sa pool villa. Andrea!
안녕하세요. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team. Vision to create a brighter future for underprivileged families and students, and Mactan by nurturing well-rounded individuals who excel in academics and character. We envision a community where every child, regardless of their socio-economic background, has the opportunity to develop strong English communication skills, mathematical proficiency, and exceptional moral values. We are also increasing students' entrance to university or college. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Igo-o ka na ang Ginoo ang Espiritu sa iyong hukma, sa ingon, pagkayo sa kanis kasikasig niya sa iyong kalungan. Pinabi ni Kristo ang Ginoo. Ay suot padapon na mo, anak, inyong sakripisyo. Kung magpataganang kayo sa dalawang lawas.
Where did the little dog go? A little lion was sad. He had lost his friend the ladybug, and he did not know where to find her. The little lamb asked him, "How does she look like?" The lion said, "The ladybug is a shiny red and black bug. She has small black spots on her wings with 6 short legs. Let's go, let's find your friend, Ladybug," said the lamb. And they are happy to go. Where did the ladybug go?
Wow, amazing class!
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. 안녕하세요. Where did the ladybug go? A little lion was sad. He had lost his friend, the ladybug, and he did not know where to find her. The little lamb was the little lamb has him. How does she look like? The lion said, the ladybug is a shiny red and black bug. She has a small black spots on her wings with six legs with six short legs. Let's go. Let's find your friend. Ladybug said the lamb and you are
And they are
happy to go. Where did the ladybug go? Kamsamida.
Wow, amazing class!
Amazing!
Oh, diba? Nakasag-una si Ate Ana. Sa una, hindi dyan siya makasag-o. Basta mag-practice, no? Mag-study, no? There is nothing impossible dyan. Basta mag-study. Wala impossible. Okay?
Yes. 안녕하세요. Where did the ladybug go? I let the lion was said. He had lost his friend, the ladybug, and he did not know where to find her. The little lamb asked him, How does she look like? The lion said, the ladybug is a shiny red and black bug. She has a small black spot hair wings with six short legs. Let's go. Let's find your friend Ladybug, said the lamb. And they are happy to go. Where did the ladybug go?
Wow! Amazing clap! Hello, very good!
Amazing!
Hello, memorize na lagi mo. Balhin na mo regular. Biyaan na ninyo si teacher.
Dili!